Hello friends, welcome back to my channel KM Solution. Today we will discuss about biology. What is the strategy that we have to apply for biology NEET exam? I will discuss chapter by chapter. So let's start. Before that, please follow my channel KM Solution. And if any notes requirement is there, then you can ping me on 9468 541627. This is my WhatsApp channel KM Solution. I will provide you the notes. Okay, so first, diversity of living organisms. Previous year 11% of the content is there from this unit. Okay, second, structural organization in animals and plants 7%, cell structure and function 8%, plant physiology 7%, and human physiology is 18%. Human physiology, this unit is so much of importance, so don't escape it. Next, moving towards class 12th content. Reproduction, important. Sexual or sexual reproduction, very important. Genetics and evolution 19%. Don't escape this part for NEET, because so much of questions are there in the NEET exam. Biology and human welfare 9%. Biotechnology and its application is 5%. Ecology and environment is 5%. So total percentage will be 100%. Now we will discuss the previous year questions. How many questions are there in the each unit? So you can see 2022, 21, 20, 19, 18 and 17. You can see most of the questions are very important in this unit. Cell and cycle and cell division. Cell unit is also important. Genetics part is very much important. You can see here digestion and absorption is there. Okay, respiration in plants, this is the important part. Okay, so next, moving towards genetics, principle of inheritance variation, many questions are there. So hope this year more questions will come. Evolution is there, reproduction, sexual reproduction. Whatever notes you need from my side, please ping me on the WhatsApp channel. In this you can see biotechnology, very important chapter. Biotechnology and application, environmental issue. Okay, this is the red zone that you do not have to escape. So please prepare it very carefully and very nicely. Previous year questions is also very important for this. Okay, now coming to the green part, that is less important, but you do not have to escape. First of all, living world, cell, the unit cell, mineral nutrition, breathing and exchange of gases, aseptic products and their elimination, chemical coordination and regulation, microbes in human welfare, biodiversity and its conservation. These are the second most important chapter. Okay, first you have to do the red zone, second green zone, and next will be the yellow zone is there, which is very less important, but the questions will be definitely coming in from this units also. So ecosystem, reproduction, health, evolution, these are very important. Now coming towards the red part, red zone area, plant kingdom, animal kingdom, anatomy of flowering plants, cell and cell division, human health and disease, organism population, these all are very much important. Red zone means you do not have to escape any one of questions only, you have to do every questions. Now coming towards what is the strategy you have to make for biology exam. Okay, first, in biology you have to study from NCERT line by line. This is very important. Do not escape anything from the NCERT, because 80 to 90% of biology is coming from NCERT only. Learning the lecture, first you can see the lecture, short lectures also there, and you have to make the notes, plus NCERT learning is there. Okay, next, revision is important. Short notes, NCERT highlights, the in between questions are there. chapter by test, again and again you have to take the test, because there are many things that you can forward. Next, practice only chapter that are weak. First of all, practice all the chapters, make all the chapters your priority, and the second, the weak chapters, main chapters are there, you have to do regular revision of that. Regular test should be there for exam, NEET exam, because very less time is remaining and you have to prepare. So please manage your time accordingly. Don't depend upon coaching. You have to do your self study is very important for this. Okay, you have to study hard because the end is there now. Work on weak topics, test analysis. What are you accepting in the NEET exam? So prepare accordingly and do not escape anything. This is my request to all of the students. So if any doubt is there, please ping me on my WhatsApp channel and be with me. I will be there with my next video also. So hope you like my video. Thank you.